towards the darker.
Wow. Oh,
hey, bud,
man.
Come here. Joey's got one. Hurry up. Oh, get him.
Go get
Take
it.
a break.
Oh, he got off. Oh, man. Wow, that's fast.
Oh, this one's for good.
Good job. Go reel it in. Reel it in.
Yeah. We'll keep him.
The soft mouth. Be careful. Oh my God. Keep going. Keep going. Pull it up. Pull up. Pull up. There you go. There you go. Look at it. Whoa. Holy moly. Keep going. Reel. Reel. It is a trout.
Good job.
All right. Good job. Watch out so it don't hit you.
Oh, wow, that's a big one. It splashed you? Oh no, he fell off.
Right here.
Be careful.
Yeah.
He fell
Should've
off.
kept going because I screwed it up.
Yeah, I lost the giant one.
Oh,
First cast.
what happened?
I don't know, like a
Flung off?
or something.
He's gonna get him for you.
Perfect.
Totally, that's so cool, dude.
Heck yeah.
Now I have somebody that can come help me get my fish off.
There you go. Thanks, bud. Put the lid back on.
Good job.
Nice.
Hey brother, what happened to yours? Where is it?
Oh, look at.
Oh.
Hey, it just took off.
Oh no.
Keep going. No, keep going. Stop. Hold up. Oh, look at him.
Uh-oh. Oh.
Keep going. You're not even there yet.
Keep
Look
going,
at him.
bud.
Look at him.
Look, there he is.
Hold up like this and kill him. Oh, come on. Keep going. Go.
Uh-oh.
Here, reel.
Come on, buddy, hurry before
Look at that thing
the
go.
bird gets it.
Oh,
Hurry.
that thing's really going. Reel up like this. Pull it up. There you go. Reel down. Pull it up.
Reel it, come on, come on.
Look at him go.
Reel it.
Look at him.
Get that fish.
Keep reeling. Keep reeling.
Got a full tail on him.
Keep reeling. Oh, look at him. Look at him.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Brother,
Lift up.
lift up.
Lift up. And now reel. Reel. There you go. Lift up. Now reel. Reel. Keep going. That's like a perfect trout.
Wow.
He's not gonna make it, I don't think.
Yeah, he's pretty tired.
Yeah.
Here.
That's just too big.
That's pretty sweet.
You want to hold him? Let me get the hook out of him. There you go. Yeah, champion, dude. Reel.
Do you guys eat those fish?
Here. Yeah, there's trout.
Oh. He's like, I don't want that one. I want this one.
Come here, bud.
Another fish. Get him.
It got us all wet, huh?
Stop now.
Are you serious?
Hey.
It's a mess now, huh?
I clean.
You gonna clean him?
I miss and
He needs some wipies, he said.